I have another Rubik's Cube competition, and I have the chance to podium at this competition. There are 3 events at the competition: 3x3, pyramings, and 3x3 one-handed. The first event is 3x3. Let's see if I make it to the finals. And one more thing before the video starts. YouTube gave me this analytic, and it says only 2% of my viewers are subscribed. So click the subscribe button, and click the like button while you're there. Back to the video. I got 5th place in 3x3, which means I made it to the finals. But there's still 2 more events left. I got 5th place again, but I'm pretty happy with my 21-second average. The next event is pyramings, and I learned L4E 2 months ago, so let's see if I podium. got 4th place with a 6.3 average. I got some of the worst cases on the last 3 solves. In 3rd place, I got a 5.9 average, which I usually get under 6 seconds. So I think I could have got 3rd place here. But anyways, the next event is 3x3 finals. There was a 15-minute break between Pyraminx and 3x3 finals. So while I was warming up for 3x3 finals, I got this average of 5. So this is a 9.06 average. Do you guys think I should count this as my new personal best? Tell me in the comments below. I got 4th place in 3x3 finals, but I was only 0.11 off of getting 3rd place, which could have been my first ever podium at a competition. But maybe I can podium next competition that I go to. But thank you for watching this video. This competition was really fun to go to, and this video took a month to make, so if you could subscribe and press the like button, that would be very helpful. And have a good day. See you in the next video.